Are you looking for a really yummy oatmeal cookie recipe? Well, my grandmother had one of the best that I know of, and I'm going to show you how to make these. So if you want to pause the video, here's the recipe for you to jot down. It's actually really simple. And notice, it only has brown sugar. I think that's what makes these cookies so yummy. We're going to start out with 2 cups of brown sugar, and then 1 cup of melted shortening. You want to make sure that shortening is a little cool before you add the 2 eggs. Otherwise, you may have some scrambled eggs. Teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking powder. It says vanilla. I put in a teaspoon. I may add a little bit more. I love vanilla. A cup of coconut, a cup of flour. So I have everything in there except for the oatmeal. I'm going to go ahead and zhuzh it a little bit with my KitchenAid. There we go. Mix, mix, mix. I'm going to add 3 cups of oatmeal, but I'm going to do it about a half a cup at a time. It's nice and mixed. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to roll these in balls, and we're going to put them onto an ungreased cookie sheet. Just a little tip. Most of you probably already know this, but I like to use an ice cream scooper to scoop out my cookie dough. Now they're all ready to go in the oven. By the way, 375 for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until these guys are golden brown. Some cookies I like to leave in the oven a little bit longer because my husband likes them a little bit darker and crunchier. Me, on the other hand, I like mine nice and chewy. How do you like your cookies? Now for the taste test. I forgot how yummy these were. It's been a while since I've made them. Sometimes I will even put chocolate chips in them. My grandmother was a really good cook and a really good baker too. Thanks, Grandma, for the recipe.